Hi, here's screen that we're using on the VersaView 1200M, which is from Allen Bradley 12-inch touchscreen. They're using the AUO screen. The screen number is G121SN01. That's the most common screen that we're using on Allen Bradley 12-inch, 12.1-inch touchscreen. Okay, so this screen, as you can see, I'm wearing the glove, which means that there's quite a work. You have to almost disassemble the whole thing to get down to the backlight lamp and to upgrade to LED. Well, actually the procedure will be same. Either you upgrade to LED or you just replace for the CCF backlight lamp. But the LED will be very simple because you don't have to do a soldering. But if you try to replace a CCF lamp, then you have to do the solderings. But anyway, to disassembly or reassembly back is the same procedure. First, remove all the screws and the tips. Alright. Four screws. Oops. Okay. One more to go here. Now you need to take out the tips. This is basically just using the double side tip to protect this interface circuits. Alright? So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna remove the metal film. And after we made the metal film, we see the cardboard underneath that. We're gonna let the liquid glass sit on the cardboard, so that way it won't damage this tab. Okay, just be careful. Use a small flathead, tilt up like this, one side at a time, to remove those clips. Alright, so this one's alright. Okay, just really carefully to remove this one out. You see, you get your hand underneath holding the liquid glass like this. Okay, and then lift up. You go, take it out. Now we're gonna let the panel sit here. Flip over this. You see that? Alright, just pull the wire out. Now, this is a liquid glass. So we're gonna set it aside, and we're gonna come back to install when we finish the LED upgrade. Now, this is the backlight assembly. See that? Okay. The next thing we need to do, we need to remove this plastic film, okay, in order to get to the backlight. Again, a whole bunch of clips, and you know, you just can start one side at a time. I usually, just start one side at a time, and use the same method. That's what I use. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Oops, it's a little bit tricky. Okay, let's do it now. Alright, take it out. Okay. Just be careful, especially on this end. Has some wires, you know, the wire was hanging inside the metal film. I mean, not metal film, plastic film. Just be careful, go slowly. Look at this, take it out. Oops. Alright. Okay. Now, set the plastic film aside. You see, here's the diffusion sheet, you can see it. There's 3 sheets. What I usually does is just stick it up. Don't worry about it, there's a marking so you won't mix up. So just wear the glove, no finger marks, leave it out, lay it on top of the liquid glass. So when we get it back, we're gonna flip over and make sure the markings, adjust the marking, that will be it. So you see the LED light here, and I'm sorry, you see the backlight lamp here. Alright? So we just tilt up this the light guiding glass, or somebody called plexiglass, right? Tilt it up, one out, do the same thing on the other one. Now it's ready to be installed, right? So let's test our LED first. This is a UB54 series, and before we do the installations, all right? So test. All right. Okay. We test both kits. All right. Okay. Let's fire up. That looks good.